I want to see God, I want to see God, I'm not seeing God. All this bhakti is crap, forget it. I chanted for 2 years, I didn't see God. And I say, you saw God. How? What do you mean I saw God? Otherwise you couldn't chant for 2 days. You chant for 1 hour, this is crap, no more. You chant for 2 days means you see God for 2 days. You chant for 2 years, it means you're seeing God for 2 years. It's seeing God that's keeping you chanting. It's seeing God that's keeping you a devotee. What does it mean to see God? This eyeball sees God? The eyeball sees nothing. The mind is the seer, not the eyeball. Perception is in the mind, not the eyeball. When you dream, do you see? Go like this, yes. When you dream, do you eat? Yes. Do you smell? Yes. Do you hear? Yes. Do you walk? Yes. Everything you do in a dream. And your senses are sleeping. Your eyeball is closed. No light is entering your eyeball, so there's no perception, no vision. So who is the seer? Who is the smeller? When you sleep, not tonight, but tomorrow, big time. Then you'll see so many things in your mind. And you'll eat so many things in your mind, although you're fasting. And you'll do so many things. So this is logic, this is reason, this is fact. So let's get back to the point, because we speak logically. We are not so stupid. The question, I want to see God. I say you're seeing God. I want to see God. You don't see with the eye. First we have to establish. You say, I want to see God. I accept that. Now let's define the points of your discussion. What does it mean to see? With the eyeball. You're a fool. Get lost. I won't speak to you. I just proved by what I just said that the eyeball is not seeing. Now what? Where does your argument go from here? You can't see God with your eyeball because the eyeball doesn't see. Then how will you see God? Bolo? I'm asking a question. In the mind. You will see God in the mind. I just explained how the mind sees. Yes? The eyeball doesn't see. Yes? So if the eyeball doesn't see, what sees? The mind. You say you want to see God. Yes? But I say you can't see with the eyeball. So then if you're intelligent, you'll say, well, then how can I see? Then what will I say? You'll see in the mind. Therefore, if you're chanting Hare Krishna mantra for 2 days, you're experiencing and seeing God in your mind. First of all, the mind is a seer. Sporty. They come when the heart is contacted, Vishuddha Sattva. These are mental experiences of God. You really see God, and you see Lila. It seems so real, you can reach out and touch it. And you can smell it. And you can taste it. And you can see it and hear it, just like your dreams. But it's not a dream. Dream is kalpana. Kalpana comes to the imaginative kanishta. I dreamed of God. I dreamed of Radha. I dreamed of Krishna. This is the imaginative neophyte. This is not sporty. This is kalpana. There's a big difference. It's fabricated in your mind. It's an image. You're good at you have good imaginative powers. You looked at coloring books for 10 days and you dreamed of Krishna. This is the dream. It's swapna. It's kalpana. It's not sporty. It's not real. Sporty is real because bhava is transcendental. Bhava is transcendental. Krishna is transcendental. You see transcendence when you have transcendental apparatus. Transcendental apparatus is a spiritualized mind. Spiritualized mind happens when it contacts Vishuddha Sattva. Vishuddha Sattva is pure bhakti. Pure bhakti is Ladini and Samvit. You can't see the embodiment of love without the contact of Ladini. And you can't see the embodiment of the complete truth without the contact of Samvit. Samvit. What does Samvit mean? Complete truth. God is the absolute complete truth. So seeing God is in the mind. Visporti. Then, because I'm only discussing this verse, the entire discussion is on this verse. I have not come off the point for one moment. So now, Tyajat Sakshat Krishna Agata. Bhishma is not having sporti or visporti at this moment, lying on the Vedavaras in the fulfillment of his Icha Mritu. He's having Sakshat Krishna Darshan, because he has at the level of prema. So at the level of prema, Krishna enters the senses. He enters the mind. You see Krishna in the mind, and sporti visporti bhava bhakti. Then Krishna spiritualizes even the physical apparatus of seeing. With the material eyeball becomes spiritualized, and then the Premi Bhakta can see Sakshat, face-to-face Krishna. He can touch Krishna, he can embrace Krishna, kiss Krishna, and experience it. This is the experience. This is the experience of Bhishma at the time of death. This is seeing Krishna. There's so many levels of seeing Krishna. I've been chanting 5 years. You're seeing Krishna. I never dreamed of Krishna. I never saw Krishna in my mind. I'm not seeing him. Krishna's to experience Krishna, to want to chant again means you're seeing Krishna. Because some people, they chant, I don't find Krishna in my mind by this process. I don't feel encouragement. Encouragement is seeing Krishna. Determination is seeing Krishna. Taste, experience is seeing Krishna. Seeing Krishna means Krishna's presence and prabhav and effect in my mind and life. That's Krishna. Krishna gives you the determination. Krishna gives you the taste. Krishna gives you the inner satisfaction. Krishna, this is all seeing Krishna. We say, I judge a thing by its results. Are you seeing results? Yes or no? Are you chanting Hare Krishna and seeing any result? Yes. What is that result? That result is seeing God. When you go to the Guru, your own Guru, when you go to your Guru who gave you Siddha Pranali and say, last night I had a dream of Radha Krishna, he'll laugh. And what will he say to you? I've heard this answer directly. I heard it said to others. He laughed heartily and said, this is very nice. You're eating mangoes without planting a seed.